Welcome back to the channel. Today, my little cousin got his first manual car, and we're gonna put on some Maxpeedingrods coilovers right here. I think these are the T6 or the T7s. I'll correct it just in case, but check them out. Godly, hold that there. The other ones right here, the one with the blue springs. Supposedly these are better than them orange ones, them yellow ones. I'm colorblind, so it looks orange to me. So we're gonna try these bad boys out, and yeah, but we're gonna take off the original suspension and change it for these. So we're gonna do that right now. We got one installed right here, beautiful. We got 3 more to go, and I'll show you when we're all done. All right, so we finished the one on the passenger side, like we said, and now we have this one finished, the driver's side. It took a while because this kid stripped the bolt on the fork. Stripped it, snapped it, my fault. He snapped the bolt on the fork right here, so we had to take a little bit longer. So now what we gotta do is the rears. So we're gonna go do that. I'm not gonna record it, I'm just gonna record it when it's done completely. And I'll show you how it rides, pause, so yeah. So my boy just got this EG hatch. I'm kind of whispering because the neighbors are probably sleeping. He has his EG hatch. He wants to know if he should J swap it or K swap it. Let me know in the comments. All right, so we just got done with the rears. Here's the rear right here, baskety, looking beautiful, gorgeous. Look at that. This is gonna sit lower than the fronts because we didn't adjust it at all. Like I said, tomorrow, same video, but tomorrow for us, we're gonna adjust those and adjust these a little bit more and put the wheels that he has over there. As you can see them right there, white. All right, so we're done with the coilovers. He's gonna lower it right now. As you can see, it's about to be lower in the back for sure. Look at the front. All right, lower that bad boy. That back is on the floor. That's how you want it, all around.
Oh shit, it's fine for the back. Oh, I just need to lower the front.
That's what he said. You need to lower the front. Oh my God, Cali leaning, bro.
What the fuck? You need to lower the front.
But let me see something. You see how it's good right now? Look how close it is already. Feel it.
Yeah, it is.
When you put the other wheel, it's gonna be on the actual thing, so you have to roll it. We're gonna adjust those coilovers in the front to match the rears, roll the quarter panels, and then put on the white wheels he has over there. So the next clip will probably be us just doing that. So yeah, I'll see you there. And we're here. Check it out. He already rolled the quarter panels. It's kind of locked with the heaters on, but he rolled the quarter panels, and now he's putting on the wheels. He's gonna do that, bolt that down. We're gonna take out the wheels in the front, lower it a little bit in the front, and that's it. But I will show you when he lowers the car in the back so you can see how low it is. He's just gonna lower it, you can see how the back looks. The tire's not on the other side. Okay. This side you need to get a little bit lower. Not even the fuck. I think it's still gonna scrape, though, letting you know. That's gonna scrape, nigga, for sure. Not like that. When you're driving, it's different. You probably won't even hear it that much, but it's pretty close.
Oh shit, yeah, this one's way closer than the other one.
Are you sure it is? Yeah, why is this one higher? Or maybe you banged this one up a little bit more. That one you didn't bang, I told you.
I have to bang this one more. Right here.
Say it.
I fucked up.
No, say it.
That's tough, right? Yeah, it's definitely gonna hit.
I tried to tell him, chat. They didn't listen. We're gonna lower the front now, and that he's gonna do it again later. We lowered the front a little bit. Let's see how low it is. Go ahead, drop that bad boy.
Man, bang!
That's what I told you. He should have went lower.
So lower?
I mean,
that's the same.
I told you. We're gonna do it again. Lift it up and adjust the coilover. So yeah. All right, so we're back. We adjusted the fronts. These are maxed in the front, maxed. So he's gonna lower right now. Let's see.
Drop that shit.
Maybe it'll settle, but it's identical to the back a little bit.
Yeah, not that bad.
Yeah, this is max. Like I said, this is the max.
Oh, not bad. I like it.
All right, we're gonna bring this piece of junk outside, and we're gonna see how it looks. You're good. Say go straight. Go. Keep on going, you're good. You're good. You could turn now, buddy. The fender don't look bad. The front needs to be a little bit lower, but this car needs a wash. What it look like, Wilmer? Look like a piece of junk, right?
I like it, man.
You like it, man?
It needs a wash, and I need to
Roll the fenders in the back. Shit, we're about to do some cinematics.
Mixed yourself last night, ended up online, you're scared. Oh, mixed yourself last night, ended up online, you're scared. Oh, last night, mixed yourself last night, ended up online. Hey, this is all last night, you're scared, you're scared, scared. All last night, you're scared. Oh,
Alright, so I forgot the SD card for my little camera right here, so I'm gonna have to use the DSLR to end the video. Here is the finished product. The coilovers ride amazing, but the only downside that I don't like about them is that they don't go as low in the front. The rears are not even maxed out, you're not even close to it, but it could drop a lot more in the back. But in the front, that's maxed out. So what we're gonna do is, it still has a gap. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take off a couple of the little collars, like 2 of them, and drop it lower. Like I said, I don't suggest it. It's just so we can, you know, lower as much as possible. The coilovers ride great compared to the normal Maxpeedingrods. I would suggest getting these. I'll put them in the link in the description if you guys want them. But yeah, there's a lot more coming to this car. We're gonna get new headlights, we're gonna get lip kit, fog lights, a whole bunch of stuff. So yeah, but quick little thing right here. Let me zoom into this over here so I can show you the gap that it has. All right, look it has a pretty good gap right there in the front. That's maxed. The back, not even maxed. Don't mind the little rust, all right, because we're gonna fix that too. It's not even maxed, not even close to it, but we can lower that more. So what we're gonna do, like I said, we're gonna take off the collars on this one in the front, like 2 of them, and lower it more. I don't suggest it, but that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, great coilovers. It rides pretty freaking damn good, like I said. Better than the original Maxpeedingrods, the goldish orange ones. You know which ones I'm talking about. These ride way better. But yeah, hopefully you guys like the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
run this shit, I'm rapping on, yeah, even on a snow day. Where I'm from, the block get high, yeah, even on a snow day. King of the hill, I'm so hate, so you know I got that.